Alright, so this is how you're going to be able to fix your controller. Not going to go on a whole backstory, but so I got to unplug this, pull this out. Alright, big problem a lot of people don't realize is these can be dirty, and as long as with the gold ones, these right there. So blow this off, rub it with your finger, towel, whatever. Sometimes that won't work though, and you scratch, you see if there's any spots and scratch them off. I use my fingernail, probably not the best idea, but yeah. And you rub these off too. So you put it in, and that might fix it, but usually if that does fix it, it won't fix it forever. And if you do that and it doesn't work the first time, you can try it like this. So what you do is, if you have really low battery, then this way is probably not going to work because it will just die instantly. That, or you got to be really quick anyway. While it's turning on like that, you need to plug it in, and then it will start charging for a long time. Like if it goes green after a little while, then it's still messed up, or your controller's charged, but it's probably messed up. Like, see that? That's my problem. And so another thing you can do to fix it is you can try it and wait till it's like that. But I think mine's just charged all the way right now because it's been charging for a while. So yeah, and then like that, and I don't know if it's going to be green or not, so we'll see. Okay, it went green. So take that out. Try turning it off and waiting till the thing goes on all the way, then put it in. If that doesn't work, which it won't always, another way to fix it. You grab your controller and you put it in like this, see? And then don't put it in all the way like to where it snaps. See how that's pressed down a little bit? Keep it like that. Put this on it. Right there. Don't let it snap all the way because you might need to pull it out again. And then, so I'm pretty sure mine's fully charged. And yeah. So anyway, that's how you can get one way, but it won't work forever, like I've said. And another thing is this one will fix it. Well, this one will maybe fix it forever. Just gotta. It's kind of annoying having that there. Another thing is, see, yeah, it's working pretty good. Anyway, so you take this out, and this one probably, I don't know if it's the best way, but if those two don't work, then see these golden things right here. You need to get tweezers. I use fingernail clippers. Still a dumb idea, but whatever. I just didn't press down real hard. You can use tweezers. Break a toothpick, use that. If you have small hands or long fingernails, you could use those. And you just pull these out. The two middle ones are hard to pull out, but the the side ones are pretty easy. So you just grab these side ones and you pull on them. Don't pull them out all the way, because like to where they'll break, but pull them out pretty much as far as you can. And what happens is you use this thing so much that it presses those down too far to where it can't read them. So that's how you'll be able to fix them. And you just gotta pull them out as far as possible, and then it will probably work. I didn't pull them out real good, so yeah. And that's how the other one works, just because it's not pressing them in all the way. So let's see how long this one will charge. And if you do that, also try to turn your controller on and then put this in. That will make it charge better anytime, really. So yeah, that's my 3-part tutorial with 3 different solutions in there. So if that still doesn't work, you probably have wire damage, and it is possible to splice it. you use a lighter instead of, because the wires are so small, you can't like strip them. You have to use a fire to strip them and then put them back separately, like how this one is. So mine's at full battery because, go right here, because if you think these don't work. And, see, right there. So that's how you do it. Controller's on still. And yeah. You can see only one is on, and it's this one. I don't have any other Xboxes, so yeah, that's how you gotta do it. And if that still doesn't work, and you don't have wire damage, then you pretty much have to get another one or just deal with it, because you probably can't fix it. Alright, so this is Badass Buck King, and I'm out.